my name is Céline and today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate mousse or mousse au chocolat. First of all, before starting any recipe in kitchen and cuisine, we're gonna drink some wine, because wine is life. Oh my god. Look at that, how pretty it is. Oh, it smells so good, fruity, a lot of fruit inside. Oh, amazing. So we are here for the chocolate mousse. We need some dark chocolate. I took some 85% because I like the number 85. This is some butter. So for 200 grams of chocolate, we need like 100 grams of butter. Some people will say it's too much. Butter, it's never too much. Some sugar, some salt, and 8 eggs. So let's start first of all to melt the chocolate with the butter. We need first of all a bain-marie. What is a bain-marie? No! This is just some water here in the pan. So we just put the water here and we're gonna put inside this pan some chocolate and some butter. Here we go. By the rivers of Babylon. So I don't know who invented the chocolate mousse, certainly the French people, because it's so good. So the chocolate is done. Don't forget to recycle everything up. And we put 100 grams of butter. So we cut it, and we just put this one into the pan. And it's gonna melt all together. I love chocolate and butter. When we remember Zion. We need like a bowl like that, another bowl like that, because we're gonna put the yellow here and the white over there. So, tack, up. You need to separate the yellow from the white. So, you just broke the eggs, open it carefully because you don't want any piece of these things inside. And you do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can even do it with the eyes closed. Look at that. I close the eyes. Yeah, it's really easy. You see, it's very hard. Is it going? Yeah! I'm succeeding. You have to know that in kitchen, if you do mistake, it's good. It means that you're learning. I'm so happy. So, eggs. I learned the chocolate mousse, I think, from my one of my grandmother who used to live in Quiberon. Yeah, Quiberon is good because then the butter is very good in Quiberon. And I went 2 years in Trois Gros next to Rouen. Do you know Rouen? No? Nobody knows. Never mind. We just put the yellow on the side. No. We put the white on the side, not the yellow. And we're gonna whip it with some sugar. Whip it. We put about 30 grams of sugar. Yep, it's coming. I use some biologic eggs because I want the chicken to be out and, to live a good life. So for the sugar, you can put less, you can put more, it depends how you like it. You can even flavor your mousse au chocolat, put whatever you want inside, like some rum, some eau de vie. We're gonna put a little bit of salt inside, because the salt is gonna destroy all the albumin, it will be easier to whip it. So, just a little bit, 1, 2, that's it. And you start to do it. In this recipe, I will put the sugar a bit later on, just to get the white really compact. Of course, you can use a whipper electric, but it's less fun, you know. It's tiring. So now it's the time to put the sugar on it. Sugar! So we said about 40 grams. 1, 2, 3, 40. Here we go. You see how it is going? It's going very well. I'm very proud of myself. It's coming. It's nearly finished. You see, it's really a recipe, really fast. And everywhere in the world, Hong Kong, Shanghai, London, Mexico, or maybe Buenos Aires, in Argentina, you can do it everywhere, everywhere. You see? Marvelous. So, eggs are ready. Don't forget one thing, to drink some wine. Wine is so good. So, important, when you're gonna put hot chocolate inside, you need to melt, to mix, to move, because yellow eggs can't really cook. Oh, I know that you can't smell what's happened here, but oh my God, this is so good. Here we go, look at that. Hopla. Let's start. So don't use a whisk, because after you can have your white eggs who can go down. So no, you don't want that. You're gonna insert like that, you know? You turn your bowl at the same time that you turn your spoon. You turn your bowl at the same time that you turn your spoon. It's very, very beautiful. And you can eat like mousse au chocolat for every occasion. A wedding, an anniversary, if even your grandmother just died, do mousse au chocolat. Everybody will be happy. So now you're gonna put this here. I'm gonna mix it in the big bowl, and after just put in a fridge for 4 hours. If you're in a hurry, 2 hours. If you can't wait, eat it. So good. Here we are, it's ready, it's done. Everybody will be happy this evening. So most important, chocolate with wine. It's very good. Tried it? And drink some wine. So now the chocolate mousse is ready. I'm gonna show you, you see. And you can put, if you want, you can put this in the small things, or let this here. I just let this inside because it's good. Just put something on it, on the top, because it's very important. With the fridge, you can have the, just put something on it, don't ask questions. If you keep it like a night in the fridge, it's even better. Don't be too in a hurry with chocolate mousse. I love you. Keep. No. I'm gonna put this here. There's no space. Okay, I put in the fridge. Up. See you another time for another recipe. And don't forget, vive la France!